Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on November 19, 2025, about 6 days ago. The main result is that by letting computer use agents act as judges for automatically generated interfaces, the authors boost function completeness for a strong coder model from 67.9% to 81.5%, meaning many more tasks become actually solvable. The paper is titled Computer Use Agents as Judges for Generative User Interface, and as we will see later, the implications for how we design agent-friendly interfaces are quite significant. Also, the authors shared a GitHub repo for this work. Inside, you'll find the full Python implementation of the AUI pipeline, stage-by-stage scripts, a single run.py orchestrator, model and environment configs, example apps and tasks, plus data layouts and commands to generate, judge, test, and iteratively refine UIs. Figure 1 contrasts who designs and who judges graphical user interfaces, which directly shapes how friendly they are for agents. The left side shows the usual human collaboration loop, where a human designer creates a visually rich dashboard and human users judge it mainly on aesthetics and experience. The right side shows the coder and computer use agent loop, where a coding model designs a simpler interface and a computer use agent, an automated software user, judges it by task success rate. This shift means layouts can become plainer, yet far more reliable for automated navigation. Figure 2 shows how a simple text request turns into a tunable graphical interface that agents can reshape. A user states a goal like create a data visualization playground, which flows into a box of agents that includes the coder model and the computer use agent. These agents design and explore the interface, then send feedback based on task success. That loop makes the website itself a controllable environment, so the interface can be iteratively optimized for agent performance instead of only human aesthetics. Figure 3 explains how the AUI-Gym benchmark is actually built from a single user request. An input query for an app flows into a large language model simulation that proposes concrete tasks the app should support. Humans then filter these tasks using domain rules so the tasks stay meaningful and non-trivial. A test time verifier, which is an automatic code-based checker, reads the website HTML and generates rules that can deterministically judge whether each task is solvable. Table 1 gives a concrete example of how each domain in AUI-Gym is instantiated. The row here covers the app domain and shows an instruction to build a healthy meal tracker, along with one specific task in its automatic rule-based checker. The left text block spells out the natural language spec and the evaluation rule, while the right panel displays the actual interface that the coder model generated. Table 3 highlights that combining task solvability and computer use agent navigation feedback consistently makes these generated interfaces more capable and easier for agents to use. For function completeness, integrated feedback lifts the strongest coder, GPT-5, from about 68% to over 81% overall. For computer use agent success rate, the same integrated loop roughly doubles performance for weaker coders like QNcoder, showing that agent judging especially benefits lower tier models. Alright, the big takeaways are that letting computer use agents judge interfaces measurably boosts both function completeness and agent success, and that agent-friendly design often means simpler, more explicit layouts rather than pretty ones. This points toward future software that co-evolves with the agents using it. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.